Hi friends, welcome to this video on creating a script for your guided meditation. I'm going to show you how to use free transcription software so you can create and edit a script that will lead to a great finished recorded meditation. The basic process I'm going to teach you in this video is transcribing your guided meditation basically by guiding it out loud, then editing the document you've just created and polishing it up so that when you're ready to record the meditation, you have a nice, smooth, polished script. One reason I like to do it this way, even though it's kind of time consuming, is that if you write a script out, it's not necessarily going to sound the same as if it's something you actually said. So all of my guided meditations that you'll find on Insight Timer, for instance, I actually guided them live first, and then I went back, edited the script, took out all the awkward parts, rearranged some sections maybe to make it make more sense, and then I recorded that as my guided meditation track. And I like that for a couple of reasons. First of all, I don't personally like hearing somebody read out a script when it's obvious that it is a script. And I feel like the meditations that I do, they sound less scripted because I actually said those words. I started out by just guiding a meditation session and recording that with no script, but the thing I found about that was, first of all, I found myself really thinking about what to say next, and that's a little bit distracting for me. And the other thing is, I would have uhs, or I would say things just wrong or in a weird way, and I would listen to it later and think, I wish I had done that differently. So the reason I use this method, even though it's more time consuming, is that I think it really combines the best of both worlds. The best of just saying your meditation the way you would naturally if you were guiding a group, and having a script that kind of keeps you on track and takes out the uhs or the missteps that you might make along the way. I'm going to show you my process with Google Docs, which is obviously free. You can also go through a very similar process with different apps. So if you write on Microsoft Word, for instance, you can use the same basic process. Or if you use a transcription service like Otter, which is free, you should check it out, otter.ai, you can also create a transcript there. So the beginning part of this process is, it's up to you which app you want to use, but I'll record my phone as I do this process, and you can see it's really simple. On my phone, I go to my Google folder and I go to Google Docs, and I'll create a new document. And you see this little icon here, the little microphone icon. If you tap it, it's going to start transcribing whatever you say. So I just tapped the period and that stopped the transcription and let me add some punctuation to the document that I'm creating. If you're guiding a meditation and you're in that meditation, you probably are not going to be doing this as you go. But if you want to save yourself some time and just make a perfectly polished meditation the first time, you can kind of edit as you're going through. I don't recommend that. I think it just sounds better if you kind of let it flow and then edit afterwards, but it is an option. So now you've got your guided meditation, and you can come back and find it later online. You can continue to edit it on your phone. It's a really flexible way of creating and then editing a document. So congratulations, now you have a transcript of your guided meditation. And this is the easy time to edit and make changes to your guided meditation before you record it. So make sure that you polish your script, get it just the way you want it, and then congratulate yourself on having finished step 1 of this process.